Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer orders from Shopify to ShipStation for faster fulfillment. Full guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Click on the Apps section located in the left sidebar. Search for the ShipStation app in the Shopify App Store. If you haven't installed the ShipStation app yet, click Add App and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, return to your Shopify admin and open the ShipStation app. You will need to connect your ShipStation account to your Shopify store. Enter your ShipStation account credentials when prompted. After logging in, you'll be taken to the ShipStation dashboard. Now, let's set up your order sync settings. In ShipStation, navigate to the Marketplace tab. Click on Connect a Store or Marketplace. Select Shopify from the list of options. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure to include https:// in front of your store's domain. Once you input the URL, click on the Connect button. ShipStation will now authenticate your Shopify store. After the connection is established, you'll see your store listed in the ShipStation dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings icon in ShipStation. Select Selling Channels and then click on your connected Shopify store. Here, you can configure how often you want ShipStation to import orders. Set the frequency to your preferred interval for real-time updates. Save your settings to ensure they are applied. Now, let's import existing orders from Shopify. In ShipStation, navigate to the Orders tab. Click on the Import button located in the top right corner. Select Import from Store to fetch your Shopify orders. You will see a list of all available orders ready for import. Choose the orders you want to transfer, or you can opt for Import All. Click on the Import button to. Once the import is complete, you'll receive confirmation on the screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.